Sorting counting machine details. Sachet sorter counter machine and sachets counting machinery are widely distributed across various industries due to the essential role in packaging. Key sectors include food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and general packaging, with applications extending to e-commerce, retail, and even specialized areas like medical and textile manufacturing. Here's a breakdown of their functions. 1. Sorting, dispersion and orientation. 2. Counting, accurate counting. 3. Integration with packaging, feeding packaging machines. 4. Additional features, optional functions. Some machines offer optional features like custom bag sizes, same face direction processing, and connection to other equipment like checkweighers and metal detectors. Automated bagging. Some machines can also automatically bag the sorted and counted sachets.